In the last video we looked at adding some numbers together. We used the plus sign, which we called the addition operator. Now we're going to try using the subtraction operator. So we're going to enter a number. Let's try 9, and we use the minus sign, and then let's try 4. So 9 minus 4, press enter, and we've got the result 5. Let's try a larger number. What should we take? 765. And it's done that calculation for us. So that's called the subtraction operator. Now have a go at doing a subtraction in Python.